Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Besides the Fur-EEL pet hair remover, just the regular standard fitting for a vac hose, which I probably already shown you. I'm not quite sure. It can be used like this, or you can use the attachment with the little bristles on it. This here I picked up is the Hammerhead version of that. A wider version that can do a lot more work in one swipe. So we're going to give that a shot. It's quite pricey at $34.99 for the Hammerhead. As you can see, all the bristles in here to sort of dislodge the hair from the fibers. We'll see how it works. And then the Sidewinder here is a rather long attachment for the hose as well that can reach down between the seat and the center console, or your front and back windshield where there's bugs in the corner and other tight areas. I'll show you both of the attachments up close, and I'll show you how they help me out. And if you want to look into them, not a sponsored video, I'm not going to have links either down below, but I picked these up locally. So I'm going to give you some choices to maybe pick them up locally if you have this shop in your area, and you don't have to order and wait for them to come in and worry about the awful shipping we have here in the States. So let's get into the video. The Sidewinder here, also made by Fur-EEL, is a fully flexible polycarbonate vac attachment that I see can have its advantages and also some disadvantages that we're going to point out here. Rather long, so it will fit down between the seats, and the flexible portion of the extension here is sandwiched in between two hard pieces of plastic. And this is going to be the 1.25 inch circumference to fit around your vac hose here. And then at this end, very, very thin. So, you know, a bug, a stink bug, or, you know, something can easily get lodged in there. So hopefully it'll just pick it up. You can lift it out of between the seats. What you're going to be going after with something this tight and compact and tiny are the crumbs that fall between the seat and the center console. Bugs maybe that are in the corner of the windshield and the back window. And if it doesn't suck it all the way through, at least it'll pull it tight against the nozzle here, or the opening of the attachment, that you can get it out of there and pull it free. Overall, this is 2 feet long. Again, 1.25 inch for the circumference of the opening, and it goes right on the end of that hose. The Fur-EEL Sidewinder will work with any of the Fur-EEL or Hammerhead adapters and hoses. And the price on this one here is $14.95. Let's see how it works. So 2 areas where it can be useful, and if you guys know of more that you came up with, let us know down in the comment section. The tight section where the dash meets the windshield up here, and also back here. I mean, look at the slope on that back window, and the back deck is flat, so there's going to be a real tight area to get in there and clean things out. Another area where it's going to be very useful is going to be between the seats here. Seat and center console. So let's start in here first and see what it can do. Hopefully I can get you a good view of what's going on in here in this tight space. So that's the area we're trying to get in. You have the track for the seat, the power seat, and you have the center console, and maybe a 1/4 inch in between there. You come in from the top, and you have, well, you can see what's down there. If it focuses, there you go. You have all the crumbs and the dirt that falls in there on both sides. And it's really hard to get in there and suck that stuff out of there with a lot of the attachments that normally come with the hoses. So let's break out the Sidewinder, and I'll try to get you a view, and we'll see what we can pull out of there. Okay, here we go. Let's fire up the vac. Sorry if this gets loud. So it easily reaches down into the area, and all you have to do is find a way to maneuver it for the length of that track. So just kind of wedging it in there, in between the seat and the center console is working. If it would be too flexible, that would be a problem. But I'm able to maneuver it in there and get the job done. Okay, the loose bits, we pretty much got out of there. And anything that's really attached to the rug then has to be shampooed or scrubbed out. So that looks pretty good. Let me get you a little bit closer. I don't know if we can see in there so well. There we go. Just one or two bits and pieces in there, probably dried food or whatever, that would have to be foamed up and broken down, loosened up, and then can be sucked out. So that's the tight areas you can get into with the Sidewinder. Let's get to the front and the back windshield of a vehicle and see how it works there. And then another area I think you're going to like this for, front windshield where it meets the dash, and front and back getting bugs. And the nice part about this, if your hose is long enough, you don't even have to switch seats. You can reach all the way across to the driver's side and get those bugs out of there. And I did so without even switching seats. And of course, you can use the tool to get in the center console, glove compartment, and any storage compartments easily. Get in the corners of them and clean them out properly. Now, the only problem is going to be when you have a chunk that is wider than the mouth. And as you can see, I could barely fit my finger in there. So things are going to get lodged in there, and it's that thin all the way through until you get up to this part here. So you may have to pull this off the hose and dislodge things and throw them away that way. And you're going to be getting light dust, crumbs, and small objects up through here. Just keep that in mind. And now the Hammerhead. So this could be used especially for pet hair, sand, lint, and whatever you come up with. Pricey for $34.99, so this better work. Width at 6.5 inches by just under 6 inches. So let's get the Sidewinder off of there. And this fits perfectly right on. And as you all know, I do have pet hair. No doubt about it. So let's get the puppy mobile in here and do a little cleaning. Well, yeah, this is what I deal with. And this happens every few days when she's losing her second coat. So, let's see what we can do here. So the idea is for each one of these individual little fingers here to dislodge the hair from the fiber, the carpet fiber, so it can get pulled up into the vac. One thing I do like to do, but we're going to wait a second, we'll see how this works just the way it is, but normally I would like to mist a little bit of fabric softener onto the fibers so they, they're stiff. And I want them to loosen up just a little bit and enough to release the hair and make it easier for us to get this work done. So initially, the first pass, push down and get some pressure on there so the fingers can get in the fibers, and then do another pass very lightly so it can suck those fibers up in there, and it works well. And really in no time at all, the hair is gone. Now I just have to get the extractor out and shampoo again. I mean, this gets crazy messy back here. I haul a bunch of stuff besides our furry manager there, shop manager. So you can imagine how bad this gets, but she goes hiking on the trails as well. But the hair, it quickly picked up and removed that so I could see what's underneath and address it from there. By the way, guys, the attachments were just hooked up to this little tiny portable Stinger wet dry vac. Hardly any power at all. And so you can imagine if you had this hooked up to something substantial, the work you'd be able to get done. So these are working fine. We're going to keep using them and we'll see how long they hold up. Durability now is going to be the only question. How many times this gets clogged that I'll have to fish wire through to unclog it, we'll see as well. But everything else checks out so far. I'll put some type of information down below, maybe a link if I can find one, where I found it locally, and you can look into it. This has been Brian from Apex Detail, and I'll catch you in the next video. Guys, if the video did help, maybe throw down a like, comment down below. Definitely subscribe, hit that notification bell.